it's Ashley and welcome back. Today I will be creating a fun card using the Hometown Parade stamp and coordinating die set. I will also be using the Puffy Cloud stencil. This stencil is so versatile. I think it's a staple that everybody should have. It works great for slimline and traditional sized cards. I will also be using these two die elements, which are part of the center stage die set. This is kind of the stage part itself, and I will be using this to create a road for the parade. And I've gone ahead and completed that part of the project, inking up some Bristol Smooth cardstock and running these two dies through my die cutting machine. I love how it gives the embossed impressions in it and cuts the whole pieces out too. So I'm going to start out creating our background. So I've cut out a slimline sized piece using the stitched slimline die, and on the base of this, I've gone ahead and just put a little light layer of my blue ink to kind of give the impression of a sky starting, and then I'm going in with the clouds on top, getting more concentrated color right up against that stencil. Now, at the base of the cardstock, I put some washi tape. That base part is going to be covered up by that road die that I had just completed before, so that part isn't necessary to be colored in. All right, so I've completed that first layer and I'm going to go in with another layer. I love this because you can pick a different side, you can flip it, so you can essentially get like 8 different looks if you think of each side. So you have 4, and then if you flip it, you can get 4 more. These are very easy to clean off. You can run them under some cold water or just use a little chamois and wipe it clean. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up, and here is what it looks like. I didn't have a good image here, so I did a slow-mo there. All right, so now I'm going to adhere my road onto the cloud base there, and then I've already gone ahead and die cut out my base layers there. I kind of wanted to look a little patriotic, so I kind of picked some red, white, and blue colors for everything. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere all 3 of those layers together, nice and flat. And now I've gone ahead and die cut out and colored in all of my images. And now I'm just kind of scene building here to see where I want everything to be placed. So this stamp set comes with some little music notes, and I wanted to stamp that straight onto my cloud background. So I'm just kind of gauging where everything is so then I can stamp that down before I adhere all of my die cut out pieces. So I'm just kind of laying it out approximately where I want it to be. And then I'm going to come in with my stamping tool because I definitely don't want to mess this up by not stamping it well enough. So I'm going to come in and just lay this gently on my stamping tool and ink that up and stamp it down. So I used some VersaFine for this since it's such a small stamp. I wanted it to be really detailed so you see all the little parts of the music notes. So when I take this off very carefully, I am going to use my heat tool and just set that, since VersaFine takes a little while to dry on its own. I didn't want to smudge it when I start adhering everything down. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to adhere everything down. I've gone ahead and done that. To finish off this card, I'm going to add some of these no-hole iridescent sequins. I like to add sequins and gems in kind of groupings of 3s. I think I learned in an art class once that when you do things in groups of 3, it's pleasing to the eye. So I always have had that stuck in my mind, and I always try to do that. So I love how this card turned out. I think it would be perfect to give away as a birthday card. Since we are celebrating Trinity Stamp's birthday card, a lot of the videos that you will see this month have a birthday theme. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, along with our Facebook group, Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation for lots of crafty fun. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Have a great day. Bye.